I didn't see my life in the public eye. There was a point where I wanted to be a TV presenter, but I thought to myself, no, you can't be a TV presenter. Like, that's like a lot of work. Like, everything of yours has to be in the public eye. And I just thought I could just do something very subtle, of course, but working with people and not necessarily have to be in their faces.
What is a rapper and what is their role in society, you know? What is African hip-hop? Is it really African just because we made it on the continent, you know? So all those questions led to my last work being African Time, which has been very exciting in terms of like establishing this added layer to all those previous titles, the rapper, the Motsoko Lista, you know, to I think now the Afro Renaissance man, you know. So if there's one title I'd probably pick right now would be that, just mainly because of the fact that it's so open-ended, you know.
So I read the Bible. I tried to find out what I would think it's all music. There's no way I would think it's all music. Actually, I found that I find out about David and Saulo, those kings of Israel. They used to sing songs about themselves. When I young Saulo killed 1,000, David killed 10,000. Like if you don't know what flows,